In rain's embrace, hearts find solace. Nature's tears, a tranquil promise. Droplets dance, melodies unfold, whispering tales of love untold. Rain's symphony, a soothing sound, inspiring dreams like whispers found. Each drop, a brushstroke of art, painting emotions, stirring the heart. The sky weeps, a gentle release, refreshing souls, bringing inner peace. Rain's rhythm, a poet's delight, weaving verses, capturing the night. Let raindrops fall in rhythmic grace, embracing moments in time and space. Nature's tears, a poet's muse, in every line their essence infused.